In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Cyberpunk has flatlined error. So first thing you want to do is update your graphics driver. So if you're using NVIDIA, then you can easily just go here and just find a software called NVIDIA, or just search for it over here, NVIDIA. Now this software allows you to download the latest versions for the drivers for your graphics card. If you go to drivers, click download, and this will basically download it. You can also go to device manager, and here you'll see display adapters, and then just right click update driver, and here click whatever is available here, and then click next to update. That's just one way to update it, and another way you can just go and manually download it. So if you go here, and let's say you're using NVIDIA or you're using AMD, you can just type the name of the driver that you're using. You're gonna have to open your computer and see what's the name of your graphics card, and let's say it's NVIDIA, so you would type NVIDIA and then go to the official page of NVIDIA, and then here you'll see place where you can go to drivers, and here you can put in the specs of your driver. So let's say it's 60 or 40 series, then Windows 10 or 11, and once you type all of this data below, you'll click find, and here you'll be able to manually download it. So you can either download Studio for creators or Game Ready for gamers. So click view, then here you click download. So that's one way to do it. And another thing you can try to fix this issue is go to CMD, then right click, then run as administrator. Over here you want to write ipconfig/renew, then press enter, and then ipconfig flush DNS, and then you can close this down. I also recommend that you go to the task manager and disable as many apps as possible. If you're not using this app, you can just disable it. As you can see, these are background processes. If you see anything like a game or a launcher like let's say Steam or Epic Games you're not using, you just right click and then end task, and this should fix the issue.